to keep recording video because there's so much intense fireworks coming up.
That sounds like a big show too.
Yeah, it's back.
What's that?
Behind us.
I thought it was over there.
No, it's back.
The moon? Where's the moon?
Come on, there's
The moon's not here.
I like on the 4th of July when we can sit back here and see all the fireworks in everybody's house around the golf course.
Yeah.
there's too many artillery fires.
Oh God, there's so much fires.
I don't know if I can publish this video. It's too long, man. There's so many artillery fires. Oh my God.
Oh, look at that one! Look at that one, guys! Go up! Look at that! Wow! Look at that, guys! Look at these explosions! Look at these, guys! They're not real guns, they're fake. Can I get kind of close? I'm getting kind of closer.
People right now.
I'm getting kind of close.